Hi friends, whenever you have nested square root, that means square root under square root, start solving the equation from right to left. This gives you opportunity to start with innermost square root. Square root 3 minus 2 root 2. Try to look for pattern. Like 2 root 2 is 2 into 1 into root 2 and 3 is 1 plus 2. So this equation can also be written as square root 1 square plus square root 2 square minus 2 square root 1 square root 2. Now you have an equation in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to a minus b whole square. This value is square root 1 minus square root 2 whole square. Result of any square root value should be positive and square root 2 is greater than 1. So write this value as square root 2 minus 1. Put this value in the equation. Again from right to left, solve for the innermost square root. 10 plus 4 root 2 minus 4. As we have done earlier, look for the patterns. 4 root 2 is 2 into 2 into root 2 and 6 is 4 plus 2. So this becomes again the equation is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab or a plus b whole square. 2 plus root 2 whole square. If you take this square root, this value becomes, again put this value in the question. As you can see, it gets so simple. Minus square root 2 and plus square root 2 gets cancelled. And finally, you're left with square root 2 plus 2, 4. And final answer is 2.